Are you drowning in a sea of accessibility? Assigning alt text to hundreds of images? Tired of endless object export dialog boxes you can't spell check? There has to be a better way, right? Introducing Alt-text Automator, the first accessible image batch processor. If it appears in the links panel, you can automate it. Whether it's 5 or 500, Alt-text Automator will take your Excel file and batch process all the alt text in an instant. Not an alt text expert? Pass around your text file and let the editors have at it. All you need from them is a tab delimited text file and you're set. No more spelling errors, no more copy-paste, no more guessing. Got an existing document? No problem. Use Alt-text Extractor to generate your links database instantly. Send it around for edits, and use Alt-text Automator to bring it back in. If you're tired of copy and paste, problem solved. These scripts will save you time, save you money, and lots of gray hairs. Visit accessibilityscripts.com and download them today.